You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Markets opened today with a cautious tone as Wall Street steadied itself ahead of one of the most anticipated earnings reports of the season. Nvidia's quarterly update. Investors everywhere are waiting to see whether the tech giant will confirm the strength of the artificial intelligence boom or hint that enthusiasm may have gone too far. At the opening bell, the numbers were fairly muted. The S&P 500 slipped by less than 0.1%. The Nasdaq eased by 0.1%, and the Dow managed a small gain of about 15 points. These small movements showed just how much investors were holding their breath, waiting for Nvidia's results to drop after the market closes. The spotlight is firmly on Nvidia, because it makes the chips that are powering much of the world's AI revolution. For months, the stock market surge has been tied to expectations that artificial intelligence will transform industries and fuel a new wave of growth. But the question hanging over Wall Street right now is simple. Are we seeing a lasting technological boom, or has the hype pushed prices higher than reality can support? The unease was felt across the globe as well. European markets showed a mixed picture. Germany's DAX edged slightly lower, while France's CAC 40 rose modestly. Britain's FTSE 100 was barely changed. In Asia, results were more dramatic. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index fell more than 1%, and Shanghai's benchmark slipped nearly 2%. Investors there were seen cashing in profits after strong rallies in recent weeks, while new data from Beijing revealed that Chinese industrial profits were still shrinking year over year, though at a slower pace. Meanwhile, Japan and South Korea posted small gains, and Taiwan's market climbed on optimism about the resilience of its chip industry, even as U.S. tariff worries lingered. Back in the U.S., corporate stories added their own flavor to the day. Cracker Barrel shares, for example, rose after the company backed away from a controversial logo change that had stirred backlash online and even drawn in President Trump. On the political front, tensions between Trump and the Federal Reserve continue to stir uncertainty. The president has openly threatened to remove Fed officials, while traders still expect a rate cut at the central bank's next meeting in September. Interest rate policy remains a delicate balancing act, as cuts can boost growth but also risk reigniting inflation, especially in an economy weighed down by new tariffs. All of this sets the stage for Nvidia's results, which could ripple far beyond technology stocks. If earnings confirm strong demand and profit growth, investors may gain confidence that the ASI wave is still building. But if numbers disappoint, doubts about overvaluation could spread quickly across markets. For now, Wall Street is steady, the mood is cautious, and everyone is waiting for Nvidia to speak. Stay subscribed for more videos.